an empty two-car garage, zero current revenue. But the moment the lights flip on, the illusion is that this space holds limitless potential. Leasing a dedicated industrial facility was once the only way to manufacture at scale. Today, machines capable of professional-grade output are designed to fit on a standard desktop. This shift has narrowed the gap between an idea and a finished product to a single equipment purchase. Social media feeds are saturated with a specific promise that anyone can hit buy on a machine and immediately transform their spare square footage into a profitable microfactory. The catalog of available tools is extensive. Fabricators like desktop laser engravers slice custom wooden signs, 3D printers extrude intricate plastic parts, and CNC routers carve heavy acrylics on demand. In the customizer category, DTF printers, heat presses, and multi-needle embroidery machines allow an operator to turn blank apparel into branded merchandise in minutes. Promotional tools take the volume higher. Vinyl cutters, button makers, and desktop engravers can churn out marketing items with incredible speed. Specialized equipment handles the finishing touches, including sublimation printers for mugs, UV printers for rigid plastics, industrial sewing setups, and automated packaging sealers. Looking at these 14 machines, the urge to fill a cart is powerful. For many beginners, the focus settles entirely on the most advanced piece of hardware they can afford. But despite this accessibility and the capability of the machines, the vast majority of at-home microfactories fail to ever generate a profit. A brand new laser cutter arrives in the driveway, but if it lands in a garage with no existing orders, it immediately becomes an expensive, depreciating piece of furniture. This is the hardware delusion. It assumes that owning the physical means of production is the same thing as having an actual market of customers waiting to buy. The advertised sticker price is dwarfed by international shipping fees, import duties, and maintenance costs. Furthermore, ongoing margins are eroded. After accounting for customer acquisition, labor hours, and wasted material, the actual profit per unit is extremely tight. Treating the purchase of a tool as the final step of building a business is the specific oversight that leads to bankruptcy. Equipment manufacturers emphasize high income potential, but that is only realized when several independent variables align. A sustainable business requires more than just the machine and the product. You need a defined customer base and marketing channels to reach them. Finally, every operational cost must result in profitable numbers. Only then is it a true business. Success depends on managing all 5 of these factors simultaneously. Focusing on the hardware alone ignores the 4 elements that actually generate revenue. Successful operators avoid the hardware trap by reversing the process entirely. They begin by researching a specific niche and identifying a problem that a customer is already willing to pay to solve. They then enter a market testing phase, sourcing samples from third-party manufacturers and gathering feedback from real buyers before they ever own a single machine. Once sales are validated and the unit economics prove a healthy margin, the eventual equipment purchase is a low-risk upgrade rather than a blind gamble. The foundation of a garage factory is built on a whiteboard, not on a workbench. High-wattage features are secondary to the demand behind them. A validated customer base is what transforms a piece of equipment into a functioning income stream. Look at this blueprint of the garage. If you look past the machines themselves, which specific business model would you build your strategy around? Let me know in the comments.